It's your boy back with another video that'll make you the coolest kid on the block, or at least in your Discord server. Today we're diving into the magical world of free Discord avatar decorations, because who doesn't want to bedazzle their profile picture without spending a dime, right? So let's get started on how you can get those sweet avatar decorations for absolutely $0. We are going to use a website for this. I will link it in the video description. So basically what this site does is it will let you create profile pictures with Discord avatar decorations so you can use them in Discord for free without spending money. Once we're on the website, we have to upload our profile picture. It's also packed with hundreds of cute pre-made avatars you can use, or you can add a direct image link or just upload one from your computer. Once you upload your image, you'll see a real-time preview on the right side. Now scroll down and check out all the available Discord avatar decorations. There are tons to choose from. Just click on any decoration and you'll see a real-time preview of how it looks with your profile picture. It's like trying on clothes, but for your profile picture. Once you've found something you like, click on the Save Image button to save the image with the decoration. A pop-up will appear, and you'll need to wait a few seconds. Patience, my friends, patience. Now, if you have Discord Nitro, you just have to click on this Save Image button to save your animated GIF avatar. But if you don't have Discord Nitro, no worries. You just click on this Extract Still Image button. This will take you to another page. Click on the blue Extract Frames button again, and within a few seconds, every frame of your animated avatar will appear here. Choose your favorite frame that shows your selected avatar decoration properly. Click on it and download it as a still image. Now upload your new avatar to Discord and watch the compliments roll in. Your friends will be impressed.